Magandang araw guys, na mayroon akong bagong gawa, homemade rifle marble gun. Handle guys, oh. Yes. Para mako, guys, oh. At tapos pam. Ito ang pam guys, ha. Pam alcohol. Okay guys. So ato idikit guys, oh. Idikit guys. So guys, kompleto na guys. With handle. So guys, mag-test-fire ta. Kung gaano kalakas guys, ha. So let's go. So guys, test. Yeah guys. So ang lakas guys, ha. Ito ang loading guys, oh. Ito ang loading guys. Ito ang jolin guys. Ato pasok guys. So guys. So tingnan yung battle guys. Guys. So guys, tamaan ko yung battle guys. Please subscribe, like, and share.